Hi guys, my name is Hari and I work as a customer care executive at a certain company which is a good company and it pays me 20,000 per month, but that money is not enough for me. So I decided that I should shift to coding. I was a BSc computer science student, but there were some reasons, so that's why I chose to become a customer care executive, because I didn't had a skill that much, but I never been consistent enough with the coding to build skills, so but now is the right time. So now I have freedom, like I can do 8 hours of job and after that I can just build my skill set daily, like 2 3 hours just grind code, and maybe do some live streams on YouTube, even though I have a stable hotspot. Hotspot, which means like I have stable router at our hostel, I have everything, like there is a room of mine now. So just I have all the freedom to work hard, so I want to do that. So this is the first video of this channel and I'm going to live stream so many daily coding streams on this channel, which will be around 2 hours long for the next 30 days. I want to be consistent enough, but even though if I want to do longer streams, I will do that. But of the streams, I'm going to stream it also, because it should not be like, like if I'm not streaming, which means I'm not studying. I have to study hard, even though if I'm not studying, like stream should be like 2 hour streams will be like 50 minutes plus 50 minutes, two sessions, and there will be break, like 10 minutes of break. And if I want to do longer streams, I can do it, but in between sets, like one set is about 50 minutes, then 10 minutes break, so those all streams I want to stream it live. So what is my exactly goal? So my goal is to become a full stack developer. I'm going to follow a stack of Mon, like I want to do a full stack developer, like front end back end I can handle both. I want that superpower, so I can just, I want that feeling that I can just build an entire app just sitting by alone, like if I have something idea that I want to become. And right now I'm in the journey. I'm learning loops right now. I learned coding before, but never been consistent, as I said. I have to practice more and more. And by learning JavaScript, after that Node.js and different things, I want to create a different projects, so just I can just showcase, maybe get a job, maybe I have some ideas and I want to implement that. So that's why I'm learning it. Even though AI can generate whole websites, but that like I want to know like how an apps or website can be built, so I can just build one. If I have a business idea in my head, I can just implement that. It would be a bit more difficult, like working full time and after that I have to record it would be difficult. It would be difficult for me, like working after 8 9 hours, then do a 2 3 hours of study, then managing all that. It would be difficult, but if I stay consistent enough, if I stay disciplined, eat well, sleep well, then it would not be that much stressful, because these are all the loops, and I can handle these loops. It's not that much difficult, like I have to go to the office or maybe do some, I just sit on the chair there, and that's it, not more than that. But I can study after coming back 2 3 hours easily. And with all of this, I want to improve overall my life, like what you can say, a better food, a better body, a better mind. I want to start meditating. I created some routines, created some charts, I put it all over around my room. I'm going to tell you in on this channel like how my journey is going, and like what kind of systems I created just to be in the flow, and just to be consistent enough, so I can just be consistent to study, and I'm going to do all this learning live, and after maybe live stream ends, maybe I will solve some examples that would be easy for me, like I should not do everything on streams, of the streams I have to do double hard work, but streams will be 2 hours long. That would be good. If it's more than 2 hours long, that would be also fine. So till today, I progressed a lot, but from last 3 4 days, I haven't did anything, like I haven't learned anything at all, because I just scrolled down, played some games, watched some movies. That's some kind of bullshit which I did, but I want to be consistent, so that's why I want to create a channel and just start live streaming it. So it will hold me accountable, and just I will become more consistent. And by creating this video and live session, I want to showcase you literally the live journey which I want to which I'm going to show you, the real journey of mine. Literally, right, not right, like right now I don't know anything at all. I know some basics about computer science, but I don't know like advanced concepts in the programming. I know basic concept like core Java, then some kind of functions I know, method overriding, oops वगैरह, these kind of things I know, but not that much. I learned it like 2 years ago, but now I have to recall it, I have to practice more. So that would be not challenging that much, but it would be okay. So if you are doing the same thing, or maybe if you are a student, you can follow my journey. Maybe if I do some live session, maybe you can join with us. If you join, otherwise no join, that there will be no difference in my consistency, because I'm not doing this for like what you can say, gaining some subscribers since this and that. I'm just doing it for the sake of mine, like I can just be accountable and just be successful more, so that is what I'm doing, that is what I'm exactly doing, so I can just document my journey here. So whenever I will go somewhere, maybe pitch to somebody, then I can just showcase them. So this is my consistency, this is the real progress. Building is public, it does matter a lot in these days. It can create a massive distribution network, so that's why I'm doing this. So thank you guys, see you in the next video. I have to go to the office now, today is the night shift, so then I will come back tomorrow at 8 a.m. Actually 8 a.m. is the off time, logout time, and after that maybe I have to sleep, and after waking up we'll study again. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Okay, so till then, goodbye.